Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to move a window that is off screen. So let's get started the video. When you click on the window but if you can't select it, then press Alt plus Tab on your keyboard. Keep pressing until you find the window you are looking for. Once you found it, let go the Alt key. Now press the following keys in order: Alt plus space plus M. Now you see your mouse pointer turned into 4 arrows. Now you can use the arrow keys to move the window where you want it. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.